In this video, we will learn about sets in C++. Sets are another type of container in the C++ standard template library. A set is great for when we want to work with sorted, unique data. Items in a set will always be sorted regardless of the order that they are added to the set in. Also, a set cannot contain duplicates, so if we try to add a duplicate element to a set, it will not get added, and only one of that element will remain in the set. To begin working with sets in C++, we need to include the set header file at the top of our code. Let's create a set of ints named integers. Next, we are going to add some elements to the set. To add elements to a set, we can use the insert function. Let's insert the values 20, 30, 15, and 0 to our integers set. Then we will use a for loop to iterate over each integer I in our integers set. Inside of the for loop, we will output I to the console, and then a new line. When we run the code, notice that the elements in our set were output to the console. If we want to order the numbers in a set in descending order, we can use the following syntax when declaring our integers set. We put a comma after int, and then we will add the word greater with int inside of angular brackets. It is important to note here that there needs to be a space between the two closing angular brackets, or you will get a compile time error. When we run the code, notice that the elements in the set were output in descending order. Sets cannot contain duplicates. For example, if we try to insert another 30 into the set, and then run the code, notice that the set only contains one instance of the element 30. This is because sets will not allow duplicates. The find function will give us an iterator to the element in the set if it finds it, else it will return a pointer to one past the last element in the set, the end pointer. First, let's create an iterator for a set of integers named it, that we set to a call to integers.find and pass in 20. Then we will have a for loop starting at it, running while it is not equal to integers.end, and incrementing it by 1 each time. Inside of the for loop, we will output asterisk it and then a new line to the console. When we run the code, notice that 20, 15, and 0 were output.